Oi, you. Yeah, you. What's your problem? I saw you. Yeah, you're the one from the other day, aren't you? Yeah, you're not laughing now, are you, bruv? What? So we all know the gold standard for self-defense is keeping a safe personal distance around you, keeping a safe space. And if anybody enters that safe space, being alert of what their intentions are and potentially bringing your hands up to keep them at bay. But we're all human and we all make mistakes. Life is full of distractions, our mobile phones, stimulus going on around us, and it's easy done that we might be thinking about other things, and the next thing you know, someone's already in our distance, entered our space. So what we need is that last line of defense where somebody has already taken us by surprise and they've entered our distance. Something that we can quickly do to defend ourselves, stop the threat, and fight back. And that's exactly what we're going to look at in this video.
Years ago in London, Leicester Square, to be more precise, there was a guy squaring at me like this. He was like, yeah. He was like this, doing to me. Thank God he didn't punch me, because he did that, and I was like, wow. This very instinctive, very normal thing, which is, hey, mate, what is it? You know what I mean? That thing, even in this position, you are pretty safe for a few seconds in here, okay? So the first point of the last line of defense, Ryan said, is going to be, hey, mate, this. I could be looking to something, talking to another person, hear my phone, and then all of a sudden I'm going to have a face of a guy very angry at me, shouting at me, whatever. Maybe it's in a bar with noise, and I'm here, oh, yeah, no, I know, and then all of a sudden, there, just this movement, which even if it's too close, just clack there, you can hit him in the chin, okay? Just this movement, clack. So I'm here, yeah, no, and then, oh, fuck, and then just this movement, just that forearm chin strike, which is nearly accidental, because it's my instinct. You need to counter, you need to do something else. If he's keep on coming, or you think he's moving his hands to do something, okay, you need to do something quick, okay? So whatever is coming, and then from here, mate, and then you can throw that uppercut, whether you use your hips like a boxer, or you just with desperation, oh, mate, or to the solar plexus, to the belly, whatever, to the neck, instinctive reaction. If he's escalating, punch back. Try to get the distance, okay? Again, very, very, very normal, very easy, that all of us, we can do.
Oh, you! What's your problem, mate?
Remember, guys, when you are holding something in your hand, you add power. I don't know the physics behind that, but you put more...
Amplifies it, doesn't it?
You amplify the power, you put more ounce of power, more pounds of power in there, okay? So don't be shy with the phone. The enemy has crossed the gates. In here, he's not at the gates, he already crossed the gate, and it's on me, so his face is, all of a sudden I have a face in here. But if I can see him like a meter away, for instance, Ryan, so I see you coming, so I'm here and he's coming, and then maybe I have more range, and then it's one, because again, this is a very normal reaction, and then, guys, just that hammer. This hammer is great. So, bam, to the nose, or even to your own hand, bam. Your own hand puts more pressure, okay? You're not going to break your fingers, believe me, you're going to break his nose. Let alone if I'm with my phone, and then I see him coming, and then with my phone there, okay? Again, you can throw there, you can throw, could be, it's just this movement. This movement, you can engage your body, or just your arm, okay? From here, bam, it's like, hey mate, bam.
Really easy to train these two techniques. So the first one here, the uppercut underneath, so somebody's coming to you, arm comes out, wham, and it comes underneath there. Target the chin, target the solar plexus, stomach, whatever. Here, whoa, calm down, mate, bam. Wham, stay away, wham. Next one, we've got over the top. So again, hand comes up, here, straight over the top. Straight over the top, like a hammer movement, and twist. Train it with a tool in your hand, you don't even need to twist. It's just straight like a hammer. Wham, 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 wham.